Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if a message not sent on your Facebook Messenger, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just open it. Just turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi. And also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you're using mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. And also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just find here shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, and in search tab you just need to write Facebook. And if you see here not open but update, it means that you have available updates on your Facebook app. So just tap on update and it will successfully download and install them on your iPhone. So this is the way how you can try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.